Kilvington has a really strong STEAM programme. Around society, around the world, we have a huge demand for science, technology, engineering and maths students. But of course, how can you build something? How can you apply your skills without first designing? That's why we've put art in there, so that we have science, technology, engineering, art and design and maths.
I'm excited about our STEAM program because our young people are exposed to it right across the school. Even our 3 and 4-year-olds in our Early Learning Centre. Our new state-of-the-art STEAM Centre will take the program to a whole other level, giving students access to a broad range of resources to really excite their interest in this growing sector.
We've got the STEAM is All Around Us programme, which is from prep to grade 4. And that's all about getting kids really excited and just asking questions and wanting to know what is going on in the world around them.
Kibeto is a friendly little robot that students can play with to start learning the concepts of coding and start understanding how a piece of code or an instruction in the computer plays out in the physical world. They see the mistakes they make that they can immediately change, and the growth that they show in such a short amount of time is amazing.
From year 5 to year 8, we have the Creating STEAM programme, and that's when we really start building with the students and actually doing stuff and applying the skills that they've done throughout their studies.
In years 5 and 6, we give the students the Innovation Challenge. We use a resource called Little Bits, and that's a set of electronic building blocks which the students are able to use to design an item that will make something in the classroom easier. The students are able to learn the science behind electric components and be completely creative and free with what they choose to design.
Year 8s are involved in our sustainable world. We said, okay guys, we're 50 years in the future. We've decided that planet Earth is no longer inhabitable and they're having to design and build this sustainable city. They've been really working on their communication, critical thinking, creativity. They've also been doing some coding. So for example, all of the transport models, they have to have coded that to move in a certain way. So they're not just looking at sustainability, we're not just looking at STEAM, we're also bringing in these skills for success.
The Kilvington Robotics Club is open to students from Year 5 through to Year 10. They have the opportunity to work in teams to identify and solve a relevant real-world problem and participate in competitions that are held each year. The club really fosters the growth mindset. It allows students to develop critical thinking, coding and design skills through hands-on STEAM experiences. Students are so engaged and determined when working on a challenge, and the look on their faces when they finally experience that eureka moment is just priceless.
Then from year 10 upwards, we have the iSTEAM Ahead programme. So we have loads of different links with industries, tertiary institutions, and basically getting these kids out into the real world. This year we had architects, we had vets, we had doctors, we had nurses, we had IT technicians, we had drone operators, we had all sorts of different types of people who were just coming and just showing the students what their career involved.
In the workplace, employers are demanding that young people have STEAM-based skills such as problem solving, critical and creative thinking, evaluation analysis, and being able to work in a team. These are skills that will be increasingly needed in the decades to come.